What is good, people? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Big Dre. Today's video is going to be an article relating to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is doing good. It's doing amazingly well. I'm still a skeptic on it. The reason why I'm a skeptic, history always repeats itself, and this time of the year is never usually a good time to invest here. June to August is usually better. Anyway, we're not going to be getting into that in this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about an article that was released on CoinDesk. It's essentially talking about changing the coding of Bitcoin. Before we get into this, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit your notification bells, and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip parts out. This ain't hopscotch. This will be interesting. It will be entertaining. You will learn something new. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting my journey. So guys, they want to change the Bitcoin protocol. So many of you are wondering, what does that mean? So the protocol at the moment, we have 21 million Bitcoin that will be mined, and they think we'll stop mining it around 2040. Obviously it changes all the time, depending on the amount of miners you've got and many different variables. But anyway, somewhere around 2040 is when they think we're going to mine the last Bitcoin. Now, as we know, Bitcoin consumes a lot of energy, which is the reason why there's a lot of complaints about, Bitcoin being proof of work and what needing crypto that is proof of stake. If you don't know what the difference is, proof of stake, you don't physically need any sort of mining equipment. You don't need a rig. Yeah, Bitcoin is proof of work. So you need to have a rig, you need to have a computer set up, a system that validates the transactions via the CPUs or CPU consumption. Now, Mr. Craig Wright, who's actually the chairman of Ripple, Ripple Inc. As we all know, Ripple's the owners of XRP. He's actually working with Greenpeace to get Bitcoin, or to try and get the coding of Bitcoin changed. And in order to do that, what you need, for some of you don't even know actually, you can change the amount of Bitcoin. You can change it. Anyway, but what you need is the amount of miners to come together and make a collective decision. So it is possible. So what he's trying to do, he's working with Greenpeace, trying to get the 50 biggest miners, trying to get them all to come together to change the amount of Bitcoin that there is, essentially because he wants to change the coding. And if you change the coding, you change the amount of Bitcoin that's available. And if you change the amount of Bitcoin that's available, the price of Bitcoin will go down. Because obviously they're not trying to decrease the amount of Bitcoin available, they're trying to increase it at the end of the day. Is this a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Tell me in the comments down below. I don't know myself. I think there's good intentions behind it. But because of who is perpetuating this idea, man was saying, nah, I don't agree with it. Don't agree. Especially, as you don't know, I am XRP Army. Big believer in XRP. However, it is a government coin. And I will make another video talking about why it's a government coin. But Bitcoin is king at the end of the day. Don't think we need to change anything. Nothing needs to be changed. Keep Bitcoin the way it is. Why are we going to change it? It's going to mess up everything. And plus, all the man can't speak English. Yeah, I should edit this out, but I ain't going to edit it. I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it raw. All the altcoins follow Bitcoin. So if you do anything to manipulate the way Bitcoin is in a negative light, all the altcoins are going to follow. So I don't know if he thinks about that, but regardless, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'll probably put a link in the description so you can read the article for yourself. But yeah, essentially what he's trying to do is lower the hash rate. Yeah, lower the effects on global warming and sort of stuff like that. But anyway, guys, it's been your boy Big Dre. If you don't know much about Bitcoin, do go and check it out. In December, there was someone who says, they claim to be the founder of Bitcoin, and they actually got, what they wanted in court. The judge actually said they could keep all their Bitcoin, which is worth roughly 40 billion, and he only had to pay 100 billion to the company that he was, in the legal dispute with. But anyway, guys, that's just a little bit to add to it. Don't want to make this a long video. It's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you want me to continue doing the videos like this instead of on the PC with man's a little picture of man right there and the big screen. Oh, I thought I was about to sneeze there. Please do let me know in the comment section if you want me to continue doing the videos this way instead of on the PC. Anyway, guys, remember, it's in the sauce, just by the dip.